Built in the Romanesque style while also taking in Gothic elements, Limburg Cathedral is a stunning example of the challenges a European cathedral can present. The architectural style with high, vaulted ceilings and hard reflective surfaces makes for a highly reverberant environment, while the large columns running the length of the building mean it can be difficult for some members of the congregation to see the service. A combined team of Schmitt Elektrotechnik and Akustik and its long-standing IT partner Pauly was tasked with overcoming these challenges to enhance the worship experience at the cathedral. The visual side was solved with TVs fed from the in-house camera system installed into the affected areas. The audio system provided a bigger challenge and saw the cathedral opt for a Pan power line solution from Pan Acoustics. This uses a 2-wire cable system to transmit the audio signal, the control parameters and the power. Custom painted PB24 speakers cover the 27-metre long nave, while 24 PB08 units cover the rest of the space. Control for the solution is via Crestron with custom GUIs, while Sennheiser microphones have been installed throughout. The end result is noticeably improved speech intelligibility, which has majorly benefited services at the cathedral. A full report on the project will be in the September-October 2018 edition of Worship AVL.